This video explains how to place a hold on a book that's currently not available at the Kingsborough Library. Here's a book, Just Mercy, A Story of Justice and Redemption. If you click on the title, it will bring you to the record on the OneSearch system. Under the title, you usually see a description that says, available at Kingsborough, CC second floor, see locations for additional copies. Click on it. It brings you to the part of the record that shows you just what is available at our library Kingsborough, as well as other libraries in the CUNY system. You can place a hold on any book that says available with the description stacks. Select the location for the copy that you're interested in and click on the arrow for that location. It will prompt you to the message that requires you to input your activated barcode as a sign-in. Once you sign in with your barcode, you will now see a difference in the message for the location. Here is again Medgar Evers with 2 stacks copies. To place a hold, click on Deliver To. It will require you to select your pickup location. Your default choice is Kingsborough. However, you can choose any of the other libraries in the CUNY network. If you live close to any of these colleges, select it instead. Once you selected your pickup location, you can then execute by clicking on Send Request. You can always find the requests that you have out by going back to your library record and selecting My Requests. Here is the hold that I just placed on a book. You can find out what the status of this hold is from this tab. You can also cancel the request anytime. Last thing is to sign out of your record. That's it. That's all you have to do to place a hold on a book outside Kingsborough.